Can you see the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this example was asked in Sardar Patel University, April 2019 for the 15 marks. Okay. So friends, I will give you 2 minutes to read now examples. So take the screenshot also now and start reading. Then you will have to judge that and find out the which are the new points. Okay, start reading. Hello? Hello?
Sir.
So you might have read the examples. તમે example વાંચી કાઢ્યો હશે. Tell me which are the new points in these examples. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
અવાજ આવે છે મારો?
હા સર આવે છે.
તો કયા નવા પોઈન્ટ છે એક્ઝામ્પલમાં? See, I will tell you.
Contribution વાળો ને 40%
Yes,
contribution.
So I will explain you all the examples. See, so first of all, reading the point number 1, we have to fix the salary on the date of 1st April 2019. So what is the basic salary on that date? The first thing that we have to find out. Everything is given: joining date, increment, second stage of increments. So considering the point number 1, we have to fix the basic salary for the 2019-20, which is the previous year. Okay, DNS allowance, bonus, commission. See, in the bonus and commissions, one adjustment is there in point number DD, 10D. Point number 10 and D, recovery of excess commission paid during the year 2000. Means company has paid 16,000 as a commission and bonus, and rupees 2,000 company has to recover from the employee. So the actual expense would be 16,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 14,000 will be considered. It is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. આવાજ આવે છે ને? Okay.
હા સર આવે છે.
Okay, okay. So bonus and commission point is over now. Entertainment allowance, we know very well, for the private employee it become taxable. Children education allowance, everybody knows, rupees 100 per month, which is exempted amount by the government according to the rules. Here the 6 points, it is regarding the perquisite of house now. Okay, here you can see the employer has provided him a flat with furniture for which the employer pays the rent 8,000 per month, means yearly 96,000. Here house is not owned by the employer. This is the one more important point in this example. Earlier, whatever example we learned now, in that examples, the house was owned by the owners or employers. In this example, house is taken for the rent now. An employer paid the rent. So the provision will be changed. So the 96,000 rent or 15% of BABC, whichever lower or less will be considered. Then the 10% of the furniture will be added. Okay. And C point will be considered here. 10C. Go to the point number 10 and C. Recovery of token rent for the accommodations, 10% of the basic salary. So after adding the 10% of the furniture from the remaining amount as a recovery, 10% of the basic will be deducted. Then we have to decide the amount of the perquisite of house. Okay, we will see later on. Employer has provided chauffeur driven car. Expenses are borne by the employers. The car is office and private use, 1.8 liter cc. This is simple. Employer contribution 40% on the basic means exempted amount for the tax purpose, that is the 12%. Contribution of the owner or employee 12% is the exempted. You can see here 14% contribution is there. So the 2% more. So we will find out the 2% more amount and it become taxable. Go to the point number 9. Interest credited to his RPF account at the 9.5%, the amount is given. Now, what is the exempted amount regarding this? Interest credited in RPF. You don't read at home now.
No, 9.5.
Nil થઈ જશે ને સર
9.5% means, okay, it become nil now. Okay, 9.5%. It is the exempted amount. So the no tax is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now go to the fix the salary. I will give you 1 or 2 minutes. Tell me the total basic salary from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. Anyone can calculate? I will give you 2 minutes. एक 4/19 થી 31/3/20 ના રોજ ટોટલ સેલેરી કેટલી થશે? આવો એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. Hello, are you doing? Are you practicing or not? Hello.
હા
Yes,
સર
sir.
ગણો છો તમે? સરસ.
Yes.
2 minutes. Finish it within 2 minutes. Those who are completed will tell me the answer. If anybody has done, tell me the answer.
₹1,78,500.
Okay. 1,78,500. So remember this figure now. Okay. બીજું કોઈ એ કર્યું છે? Except the Pandit. Anybody has done the answer?
₹1,52,500.
Okay, remember this figure now. Remember this figure. Anybody else? Anybody else? Hello? I got the two answer. At present, 45 students are there. I got only two answer. બીજા કોઈ કર્યું છે? નહીં? Hello? કોઈ કર્યું છે બીજું? હલો? કે બધા જોયા કરો છો? શું કરો છો? હલો?
સર
હા?
આપણે 1/4/19 થી 31/3/2020 લગીના યર પ્રમાણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાનું ને?
Yes, I will explain you, Pandit, later on. But I want to know. I want to know how many students are practicing. Hello? કોઈ બીજાએ જવાબ શોધી કાઢ્યો? Hello? No? Okay. I will explain you. See, the Mr. Rutvik joined on the 1st July 2015. And one more thing that you have to remember, the increment also due on the joining date, 1st July every year. So let us understand first of all the scale. Scale means 10,000 rupees is the basic. Then next joining date, 1,000 increment will be due. The increment will be due on the 1st July 2016. Second increment will be due on 1st July 2016. Third increment will be due on 1st July 2017. This way, when the basic become 13,000, increment become 2,500 till it become 28,000. તો અહીંયા 1,000 નું ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ દર વર્ષે ડ્યુ થાય છે. જેવો બેઝિક 13,000 થઈ જશે એટલે ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ બદલાઈ જશે. ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ કેટલું થશે? 2,500 રૂપિયા. સમજાયું? હલો, સિમ્પલ. આ 1,000 નું ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ ક્યાં સુધી રાખવાનું? 13,000 સુધી. 13,000 બેઝિક થઈ જાય પછી જ્યારે ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ આપવાનું થાય તો 2,500 નું ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ આપવાનું છે. Go to the calculation. Start writing. Salary on joint date 10,000. Now the increment become due 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 till it become the basic salary 13,000. Means 3 increment will be given here. Increment 1st April 16, 1st July 16, 1st July 17, 1st July 18, 1, 3,000. So the basic become 13,000. As soon as the basic become 13,000, amount of the increment will be changed and it is the given 2,500. Means 1st April 2018, the basic 13,000. Then after the increment will be given 1st July 2019. So here the basic 30,000 will be considered on the date of 1st April 2019. આ 13,000 નો બેઝિક જ 1/4/19 નો બેઝિક ગણાશે કારણ કે ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ પછી 3 મહિના પછી મળશે. એટલે એપ્રિલ, મે અને જૂન 13,000 લેખે લેવાના છે. પછી ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ ડ્યુ થશે 2,500 રૂપિયાનું એટલે 15,500 નો સેલેરી બાકીના 9 મહિના માટે લેવાનો છે. ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ 19 ના રોજ મળી ગયું. 1/7/19 ના રોજ બેઝિક 15,500. એટલે 13,000 નો બેઝિક 30/6 સુધી લેવાનો. The basic on the date of 1st April 2019 rupees 30,000 till 30th June 2019. Then the 1st July 19, the increment will be due 2,500 and basic become 15,500. Means for the remaining 9 months, the basic will be considered per month 15,500. Here we decide the yearly basic salary. First April to 30th June for the 3 months, 39,000. For the remaining 9 months, 15,500 will be considered. So the 1,78,500, the answer was given by the Pandit is correct. If anybody have doubt now, કોઈનું માઇક ચાલુ છે, બંધ કરી દેજો. Mute all. If you want to say, you can unmute mic and ask me the question. Okay. So the 1,78,500 basic salary. Go to the seat. Go to the sum. DNS allowance 85,200. DNS allowance 85,200. Bonus and commission 16,000, considering the point 10D, recovery of excess commission paid during the year 2000. So 2,000 rupees will be deducted from the 16,000. 14,000 is the amount of bonus and commission. Okay, go to the sum. Entertainment allowance 1,000, so per month. So the yearly taxable income 12,000. Yearly taxable 12,000. Go to the sum again. Children education allowance 600 per month. So only he has a one child. Okay. So go to the calculations. $72,000 exempted amount rupees 100 per month. So the taxable amount 6,000 yearly. ₹6,000 will be returned in the seat as a taxable education allowance. $6,000. Go to the sum. Employer has provided him a flat with the furniture for which the employer pays the rent of rupees 8,000 per month. Means it is not owned by the employer, but employer has taken on the rent. The amount of the furniture, it is given 2,92,000. Okay. Then recovery, 10% of the basic, it will be deducted from the remaining amounts. So go to the calculations. So perquisite of house, BABC, we have to consider first of all. So basic salary, you know very well, 1,78,500. A means allowances. So go to the sheet. We can know what are the allowances. So go to the sheet. So DNS allowance will not be considered here because there is no retirement benefit. Instruction of the retirement benefit is not given. Okay. So avoid the DNS allowance. But the entertainment allowance 12,000, education allowance 6,000 will be considered here, and commission rupees 14,000. Commission and bonus both. DABC total 2,10,500. Two lakh 10,500. So what is the provisions? Here the house is not owned by the employer. Okay, at that time, so as per the provision of the perquisite of house, 15% of the BABC and actually rent paid by the employer, whichever will be less, whichever less or lower will be considered here. Okay, so the population will not be considered here for the BABC purpose because house is taken rent. Then 10% of the furniture amount will be added and amount of recovery will be deducted. Here is the provision. Provision is there. Rent paid by the employer or 15% of salary, whichever less. Population will not be considered. If the house will be taken on rent, population will not be considered. So here rent paid by the employer. Go to the sum. It is clearly mentioned. Employer pay rent rupees 8,000 per month. So I have written in the bold letter. Okay. So the yearly 96,000 or 15% of BABC 31,575. So whichever less 15% of BABC, this amount will be considered here. $31,575. Is this correct? 15% of 210, 15, 210, 500. 15% બરાબર છે? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now add 10% of the furniture amount. Furniture amount. So the 31,575 plus 29,200 total become 60,775. Here friends, recovery. Company has recovered the amount 10% of the basic will be deducted from the, this is the taxable income. Okay, 10% of the basic now. I will show you. Go to the point number 10 in the sum and last third point, C. Point number 10, beta point C, recovery of token rent for the accommodation 10% of the basic pay. So here we will deduct the 10% of the BABC. Sorry, 10% of the basic now. So taxable amount 42,925. કર્મચારી પાસેથી 17,850 કંપનીએ પાછા મેળવ્યા છે. એટલે એ ટેક્સેબલ એમાઉન્ટ નક્કી કરતી વખતે આ રિકવરી બાદ કરવી પડે છે. 42,925 ટેક્સેબલ. Okay. Will be written on the sheet. 42,925. Go to the sum. Employer has provided chauffeur driven car. All expenses are borne by the employer, and car is for the office and private use, and 1.8 liter cubic capacity engine. So here employer is the owner of the car, number one. Number two, driver also provided. So the 900 will be added. All the expenses bear by the employer. એટલે માલિક બધા ખર્ચા કરે છે. Okay. Fourth point, office and private. Car is used for office and private both now. Okay. So let me know the expenses that we have to consider. 1.8 cubic capacity, expenses borne by the employer. So the amount will be considered. Hello.
2400 plus 900 3300.
Yes, very good. Good answer. What's your name?
Mansi.
Ansi. Good answer. Okay. For the yearly, 39,600. Okay. Go to the sum. Employer contribute 40% of the basic towards his recognized provident fund. So 2% that we have to find out of the basic. 12% is the exempted amount. Okay. 2%. 1,78,500 multiplying by 2%. So excess contribution in the RPF, the amount is 3,570. Okay. Interest credited to the RPF 9.5%. Okay. So it is exempted amount 9.5. Okay. So we will mention here no excess interest credited to the RPF. So the nil. Make the total.
$3,81,795.
Okay. So as per the sum, professional tax 2,400 will be deducted. Taxable salary 3,79,395. $3,79,395 is the answer. બધાને સમજણ પડી? હેલો
Yes,
હેલો,
sir.
બધાનો અવાજ નહીં આવતો, એક જ જણનો અવાજ આવ્યો.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, buddy.
Yes, sir.
પડી ગઈ ખબર?
Yes.
Very good now. So the 53 students are with me. So I will take the present.
હેલો સર.
બોલો.
સર પેલું અંડર સેક્શન 80C નું એ આપણે નહીં લખવાનું?
આમાં આપણને કહ્યું નથી ને. હેલો.
એટલે કયું હોય તો જ લખવાનું?
હા, કયું હોય તો લખવાનું છે. અને આમાં અંડર સેક્શન 80C માં શું આવશે તમને કહું, LIC નથી આપી. જુઓ તમે, ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનું આપ્યું નથી. પછી કદાચ એવું બને ને કે એમ્પ્લોયનું કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન્સ વી વિલ કન્સિડર. એમ્પ્લોયનું કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન પણ આપ્યું નથી. એટલે કેવું કે એક્ઝામ્પલમાં આપ્યું હોય ને અંડર સેક્શન 80C તો જ કરવાનું છે, અધરવાઇઝ કરવાનું નથી. હેલો.
હા સર.
Did you understand?
હા સર.
Okay.